just float on top of the clouds that cover all skies. I said we'll just fly on top of the clouds that cover all skies instead. Don't look back, it won't do any good. Or don't look ahead, you'll just be misunderstood. Everything you need could be right in front of you. It doesn't take much to see what is true. They say we're gonna die if we go on like this. Who do you believe? Every story's got a twist. Take a look around and tell me what you see. People in the world just trying to be free. What about all those things you could have done, but you don't? They say things happen for a reason. You don't do them, they won't. We're looking for life, love, and laughter. Everything in between, and what happens after. We're looking for life, looking for love, and looking for laughter. Change, they never stay the same. That's why we'll find a war, putting evil on the blame. You can always stand up for what you believe. Don't be blinded by the power of greed. What about all those things you could have done, but you don't? They say things happen for a reason. You don't do them, they won't. You know we're looking for life, love, and laughter. Everything in between. What happens after? What happens after? We're looking for life, love, and laughter. Everything in between. And what happens after? And what happens after? I'm looking for laughter. And we got everything we need. All the money in the world won't buy what we see. Dreams are worth more than gold. Some people hold on, some people let go. And when the stars, they all come out at night, and the velvet sky, oh so bright, I feel so close to you, 'cause I see what you see too. fly and kick off the world in the dark and just dive, just dive. The more things change, the more they shine. Glow, I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight shining all around your heart. I wanna see you glow. I wanna see your daylight so bright all around my soul. I'll run this world with you. And I'll run this world with you. Glow, I wanna see you